Okay, I wish I knew about this site months ago. So, for those of you that are just starting your recruiting business, even for those of you that have a recruiting business, it's important to have a sharp looking email signature. I use Gmail or G Suite for business, but you can use this on really any software program, whether it's Outlook or anywhere else, Hotmail. I would assume most of you are using Outlook or Gmail for business. And what this site is, it's simply mail-signatures.com, but it gives you free templates for you to copy email signatures that you can put right on your settings within your email application. So for me, like I was scouring YouTube, trying to figure out how to create a really cool email signature with graphics. It literally took me about 30 to 35 minutes to create it. It was a little bit frustrating, but this takes all of the headache out of it. You can select any template you want here. So for example, let's say you wanted to go with this one, just click on it, and then you can even edit it. If you want to change some things, you can download the signature, and that's it. Pretty simple. So if you were to click on edit, it takes you into its edit template, and you can just go ahead and make it your own. And this is really cool right here. So when you're done, just click on Gmail, and it will save it in Gmail format. So all you have to do is hit apply your signature, log into your Gmail account, go into your settings and paste it, and you're good to go. So for those of you looking to have a really nice looking, sharp looking email signature, this is a very easy way to get it done. I hope this helps you guys. Again, mail-signatures.com.